It's Thredup Thursday, and today we are going to be opening a Thredup DIY designer box. These are one of my favorites to do. They are $140 and you get 7 DIY designer items, or luxe, they now say, in these boxes. So DIY can mean things like you need to clean it, maybe it's missing a size, or I don't know, who knows? Hopefully items in here will be great brands and they'll be in good condition. This one is coming to us from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Okay, y'all, you know I'm always misplacing my box cutter. Today's no exception. So, you know, I do this, I film these at my desk that I use for my full-time. And in my drawer right here to my right, I keep a lot of like pens, markers, highlighters. Y'all, I love highlighters, and scissors. So I was like, well, I'll just grab a pair of scissors to open the box. Y'all, I pulled these scissors out. I can't use these. So the mini scissors are going back in the drawer, and we'll use these instead. Try to get this one open. It is taped along both sides here and in the front. And we'll see when I ordered this one. I'm not 100% sure. If you enjoy unboxings, I do a lot of Thredup unboxings, thrift hauls. I talk about what sold. Okay, forgot to cut the other side. What sold videos and lots of reselling content. So if you were into that kind of thing, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. We do have a collab coming this weekend. We're going to be opening a Thredup scrap fabric box, which I've only done one of those. And y'all, I'm not going to give anything away, but this box was awesome. So there are several of us that are going to be starting at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I believe on Carrie T Says channel. So make sure to tune in. I'm going a little bit later in the day. So you can go into my channel and click the notification for that video, and then we can chat live. It'll be a lot of fun. All right, this one I ordered on February 20th, so not too old. It is kind of heavy. Go. We'll pull the tissue back. I'm already very excited. Okay, that needs to be my thumbnail. Okay. I'm gonna have to pause the video and take another picture. Hold on a second. Okay, we'll see if that turned out. I don't usually do that in the middle of my videos, so I don't know. You guys, look at this Burberry vest. I love this. This is gorgeous. The color on this blue is amazing. This is in a size large. There's the tag right there. Oh, I've got tape on my finger. And then this one is Burberry Brit. So let's see if the zipper works. I've gotten a couple outerwear pieces and the issue has been the zipper. I've still been able to sell them without a problem. But it looks like the zipper works fine on this one. So I'm not really sure what the issue is. That's great. Pocket zip is good. Okay. Look how awesome that is. You've got the puffer. You've got the stretchy panels along the side. I don't see any holes. Sometimes you'll get little holes where the stuffing is coming out. Don't see any of that. There's the mark there on the back as well. Let's check the inside. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful that is on the inside. I don't, thank goodness, see anything wrong with this one. This one is awesome. I will be having prices on the screen for these items if you're interested in purchasing anything from me directly. All you have to do is send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com and I can sell you directly. This is a great first item, so very happy with that. All right, next up, the other item that was on the top. This is a Diane von Furstenberg DVF. Looks like we've got a little dress maybe. Let's see if I can get this all figured out here. Okay, it's got some stretch to it. Sleeveless. Really, really cute. I love this. This is a great like layering piece. Maybe it's more like a tunic. Let's see. This is in a size 8. No, that's a dress. And it's got the tie here. So it's like a wrap dress. And the other side of the tie here. Beautiful. I love it. I love wrap dresses. I wear them a lot myself. Again, a size 8. There's the materials tag there. And I don't see anything wrong with this one either. And there is stretch to it. So that's nice. DVF doesn't resell for that much, but that's a great like classic piece. So I'm happy with that one as well. Let's take another pink. Ooh, we've got a Thom Browne, New York. I don't see a size right off the bat, so we'll look. Look how great these are. These are almost like a sweater jogger. Oh, these are awesome. You've got the Thom Browne there at the bottom. Trying to see if I see any issues. You've got your pocket here with the lining on the inside there. The red and blue and white kind of striped material. And then on the back, you've got the little tag there. These look like they're also in great condition. You've got the white stripe around the leg. Again, these feel like a sweater material in a jogger. So great. Let's see if I can figure out the size. These are in a size 42, according to the tag. So great size. Show you the tag. Looks like the materials tag got cut out though. Yay, those are awesome. All right, so far, very happy with this one. It looks like we've got one pair of shoes in here and some more clothing. So we'll do whatever this is real fast and the clothing, and then we'll end with the shoes. I always love getting a bag in here, but what is this? I'm very confused. What is this? Hold on. It looks like it could be a bag, right? But there's no, I don't know what's happening. Okay. It's reversible maybe. Oh, here's the Brit. Okay, so this is Merit. Maybe this is reversible. Let's see. Let's pop it inside out and see what happens. Yeah, it looks like it's reversible. But I'm not really sure how you carry this, because unless you're supposed to maybe like tie the straps or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to Google Lens this and see if I can figure it out. See if you can see. See there, it's marked Merit as well. So I will look up some more information about this. Maybe I'll pop a stock photo up if I can find one, and then also give you guys a price. It's in great condition. So that's good. All right, let's do more clothing. We've got, it looks like we've got a sweater. Really pretty. Oh no, sweater dress. Oh, I also love sweater dresses. Oh, look how cute that zigzag print is. Oh, I love that. I'm a big fan of knitwear, and I love all these colors. So this is Miss Sony, which we probably could have guessed just from the pattern in the knit. You've got pink and green and yellow and gray. Trying to see if there's any, there is a hole, I think. It's hard to tell because, yeah, there is. Because the knit is very thin. You can see a little hole there. That is the only one that I see. Doesn't mean that that's all there is. There's another one up here by the shoulder, so that's unfortunate. Well, you know, maybe somebody could repurpose this material into something. I don't know. It's really pretty. And obviously you would wear something, well, I guess it's not obvious. I mean, I would assume you would wear something under this, so maybe the holes don't bother you. Let's see if I can find a quick size. I would say this is maybe in like a small. It's a US 6. Here's the tag. So good size. Disappointed about the holes, but that's kind of to be expected. But that's really, really cute. I like that a lot. Okay. Last clothing item. Lots of clothes in this one, which I don't get mad about. Weekend by Max Mara. So it's a diffusion line of Max Mara. You've got a tee. Oh, I love this. Look how beautiful the flower embroidery is on this. I just wore a shirt in my last video that was embroidered with flowers. If this was in my size, I would totally keep this. It's right up my alley. Really, really pretty. It looks like it's in great shape. Let's find a size. I don't see any stains or any, maybe a little bit of staining here. Yeah, it looks like there might be a touch of color transfer through here. And this is in a US medium. There's the tag. Beautiful. This is perfect for the upcoming season. I love that. And there's the little logo also at the nape of the neck. Really nice. Okay, very happy with that one as well. Last item in the box, you guys, is a pair of shoes. Look at those heels. And these are also Max Mara, which is hilarious because I almost picked up a pair of Max Mara heels, black heels, at the thrift a few weeks ago. So these have a little bit of a platform to them here with some tread on the bottom. Then you've got the gold like foil heel. There is a decent amount of scratching on here. And then right here, I mean, the leather is like not in great shape right there. So that's unfortunate. I mean, it can definitely be conditioned, but like that leather is peeling right there. Y'all can see that. Let's look at the other one. The inside looks pretty good. I didn't even look at the size. The size is a bit worn off on this one. It's a 30 something, maybe a 38, 39. Let's see, 38. Right there. Like I said, the inside looks really great. You just have a lot of fading on this black leather. This might be a good candidate for like painting. I'm probably not going to do that because I'm super backlog with items I have to fix. But I will have a price on the screen if anyone's interested in these. Structurally, they're great. They just need a little bit of TLC. Okay, so let's go over the items we got. We got one pair of shoes, Max Mara. Then we got Weekend by Max Mara. This adorable. I love this tee. The Missoni sweater dress, which does have a couple holes. The Merit bag. I don't know. I'm gonna look that up. Oh, these Thom Browne like joggers are insane. I love those. The Diane von Furstenberg wrap dress, which I think is awesome. And I don't know, for me, the winner of this box is this Burberry vest. It is gorgeous. I love this. So let me know what you guys think about the box. Which was your favorite item? And like I said, make sure to tune in on Saturday for the Scrap Fabric Box unboxing collab. There are, like I said, several of us. You'll want to tune in. We are going to be live in the chats. The videos aren't live, but the chat will be live. So make sure to join us in the chat and say hi. and see what we got, because I'm promising you, you're not going to want to miss it. All right, see y'all then. Bye, y'all.